Welcome back guys, my name is Ahmed and in this video we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux in Windows by using VirtualBox. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and search Kali download on Google Chrome. Now open kali.org website and then scroll down. You can download the simple version or you can download the Kali Purple by scrolling down a little bit. Now you can see the download icon, so simply click on the download icon and then your download will be started. Now again search Oracle Box on Google Chrome and then open up this first website. Now you can see that download VirtualBox 7.0, so click on it and then select Windows hosts. Now your Oracle Box has been started, so let's move on. After your Oracle Box has been downloaded, you will have to install it, and then when you will install it, you will see this graphical interface. Now let's move on to installing Kali Linux. So click on New and give a name to this machine. I am typing Kali Purple here, so now select the type to Linux and version to Linux 2.6 64-bit. And then click on next. You will have to select the RAM here that you want to set for this machine. So I am selecting 8 GB, but you can set up 1 GB or 2 GB as per your needs. So then click on next. Now select create a hard disk now and select the hard disk file type to VOI and then click on next. Now select dynamically allocated and click on next. Now it is asking for file location and file size. Select the hard disk where you want to install this machine and also make sure that you have enough space in that hard disk. Now click on open and select the file that you want to save. Now set up the storage that you want to give. So I am giving this around 70 to 80 GB. You can give as much space you need, like 30 GB or 40 GB will be enough. Now simply click on settings and then click on system and then move to processor. So I'm going to give around 2 processors here, and you can give around 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 according to your processors. So I'm just giving it around 2 here. So then click on display and then select the memory size to 128 MB here and then enable the 3D acceleration, and all of the other settings are okay. So if you want to change any other setting, you can change them from here. These are the settings of your virtual machine. So now click on OK and then double click on the Kali Purple machine. Here it is asking us to select the startup disk, so click on this icon and select the Kali Linux that we have downloaded. Now choose from there and then click on open and then click on choose and then click on start. Now our Kali Linux has been started, so simply click on graphical install. Here it shows some errors, but we do not have to worry about this, so we just have to wait until this finishes. Now select your language and click on continue. On the next page you will have to select your country location and then click on continue and then on your keyboard. So I am using American keyboard, so I will click on continue. Now the installation is going to take up some time, so we have to wait until this finishes. Now it is asking us to type a host name for this machine, so I will type Kali Purple. Now it is asking for domain name, so we do not have to worry about this. We can leave this option empty. Now it is asking for full name of the user and then the username for your account, and on the next page it will ask us to provide a password for our account, so we will have to type the password and then click on continue. Now we have to set up clock for our machine, so I am from Pacific, so I will select Pacific and then click on continue. On this page select guided use entire disk and then click on continue. Now select the option that is available, like I made 8 GB, so click on that and then click on all files in one partition, and then again it will ask us, so click on finish partitioning and write changes to disk. On this page it is confirming us, so click on yes and then click on continue. Now it is going to take around 10 to 15 minutes of time for installation, so it is better to grab a piece of sandwich. Now on this page we do not have to do anything, so just click on continue. Here it asks for GUI bootloader, so select yes and then click on continue. Now install the GUI bootloader and select the /dev and then click on continue. So our installation has been completed. Now you can see that our system is rebooting. On this page click on enter and then you can see that our machine is again turning on. So this is a login screen, so provide your username and password here and then click on login. Now you can see that you are logged into the Kali Linux machine. So this is a really easy process by which you can install Kali Linux in your Windows machine. I hope that you will like my video. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos related to cybersecurity and hacking. If you have any type of questions, please let me know through comments and I will try my best to help you out. That's it for today. I will meet you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.